All right, guys, so let's talk about supplies first. In this box, nice and neatly, you have almost everything you need. At the end of class, all this stuff needs to go back into the box. Notice that the pencils just have pencils in it, so we're not going to put this stuff in the pencil box, only in these boxes here. All right, now, when you go to your tables, you're going to bring with you a piece of paper, all right? And then as you're working, Miss McBroom is going to pass out some scissors. So the very first thing you're going to do when you get to your table is use your stencil to trace your ice cream cone onto your paper. Now I'm going to be super smart when I do this. Let me show you how smart I am. I am going to line up the edge of my triangle with the edge of my paper. That way, as I hold my stencil in place and trace, I don't have to cut very many lines. All right? Once I have it traced, now I'm ready to cut out my triangle with, of course, my scissors. Now, after I cut out my triangle, it's time to write my name. So do not forget, super duper important, on the back of your art, always name and table number. Ta-da. Next, this is the fun part. I'm going to pass this stencil to a friend because we are sharing the stencils. There's only 2. So I'm going to pass it to my imaginary friend right here. Hey, would you like to use the stencil? I'm done with it. Awesome. I know. I'm really good at sharing. All right. Now textures. So this green stuff here, that's what we're using for our texture. But we can't just lay it on top of our paper. We're going to lay it underneath and do what's called a rubbing. So I'm going to take one of these crayons, and I might have to peel the paper off my crayon for this to work, because we're going to hold our crayon in a special way. Usually we hold it like this. Today we are going to hold it flat. So after I get all this junk off, I'm going to hold it flat and rub it. Now when I rub it, I'm going to see all the crisscross designs that are underneath it. And that is part of what's going to make it look like a cool ice cream cone. It's going to have the texture, like that word we've been learning, of an ice cream cone. Awesome. Ice cream cone. Once you're done with this, you're going to sit in your seat, don't get out of your chair, and wait patiently for our 5 minutes to be up. When our 5 minutes is up, we're going to come learn how to make our ice cream. You don't have to tell me you're done. The only thing I would like you to do when you're done is either clean up your supplies by putting them back in the box, or help out a friend that's right next to you because you're going to be staying in your seats. All right, try it out, guys.